Stay tuned to see how I created this unicorn basket and wall hanger. So a lot of the decorating with this DIY is going to come with creating a gradient onto the unicorn. Using these different colors of acrylic paint, you'll mix with white paint to create a softer version of each color. And I began by popping off the stand that the unicorn came on. This is a little plaque that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to simply mix each of the colors with the white to soften each color. And I started off with a dry brush just to see how it would make a difference, or if it would even make a difference. But once I ended up rinsing off my brush, I did not see a difference between using a dry brush versus a damp brush. So you'll continue to mix your colors in with the white to create that softer version of each color. And when you are painting, where the two colors meet, you'll want to go over that a couple of times just to soften the point of intersection, and that will give more to the gradient effect. Of course, you can customize the colors as you need and pick whatever colors will work for the scheme of your room. I'm doing this project for my niece. She is going through and she's in this phase of wanting to quote unquote remodel her room, and so I thought this would be a cute little addition for her to add any scarves or trinkets or anything that she wanted. And she's really big into unicorns, so this was a perfect find at the Dollar Tree. Make sure that you go ahead and paint the edge of the unicorn as well, so it gives a more finished look. And because my niece is a little bit of a mini me, I of course am going to add some glitter directly to the horn while the paint is still wet. The second unicorn head that I have, I am going to repeat the same process of blending the colors with the white to create a softer version of each color, but I am going to paint it on in a diagonal pattern. You'll continue with painting and adding on your colors as you see fit until you have completely covered the entire unicorn. And for this one, I was going to put it on the other side of the basket, but I feel that it would go better as a cute little wall hanger. So that's what I'm going to use this one for. And again, remember to paint your edges. With this one, your colors are completely customizable as well. With this unicorn, I did something a little bit different. I went ahead and used both the silver and the gold glitter to apply it to the top of the unicorn while the paint was still wet, and hopefully it will give me a marbled look with the glitter. Add a very light layer of Mod Podge across the top of both areas that you have added glitter to secure it. I painted the back of the unicorn that's going to attach to the basket a very light shade of pink, and I'm going to use my hot glue to attach. And here are what the finished unicorn basket and wall hanger looks like. Once everything has dried, I really like how these came out. The wall hanger looks a little different than what I imagined, only because I added extra gold glitter on top of the Mod Podge, which I should not have done, because on the bottom you see the effect that I was actually going for with the color showing through. But the basket came out exactly how I wanted it to. I just decorated it with some really pretty pink and white glittery tissue paper, just so you guys can see what it would look like. Of course, you can put whatever you want inside your baskets. If you have any unicorn enthusiasts, make sure you share this video with them. Thank you for joining me for another video this week. My niece is going to love these two DIYs. She loves all things colorful and glittery, just like her aunt. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what your unicorn's name would be if you had one. Also, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell for notifications, and like this video, and share it with a friend. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you are having a great day. And always keep creating. All right, I love you guys. I will see you next week. Bye.